Hello students, welcome back for another week of HTML. So, last time we went over and made one web page. Once again we are back here in Mozilla Thimble, and I'm going to show you a little bit more about this cascading style sheet over here. But first to do that, I'm going to just make a couple of paragraphs here. Blah 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 blah, sample text. And then I'll make another paragraph here, blah, 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 blah. And you know what, I'll just make one more for good measure. There we go. So, I've got myself numerous paragraphs in here in my body. Yeah, I've got one paragraph, two paragraphs, three paragraphs. I've got 4 paragraphs here, right? So, I'm going to show you about style, okay? Now, because when I said that there were, last week there were 2 sections, there was the head section and then there was the body section. Remember, the body is what we see and the head is what we generally don't see, with exclusion to the title there. But there actually is a 3rd section, and that's known as a style section. And the way you can activate a style section, there's multiple ways. The first way is I can simply, at the start of any of these tags, just type something in like style equals color red. And now, as you see, all my text is red. All of it. That's the first way. I can simply say, hey, my body, so now everything starting in my body is now red. Because remember, starting point, ending point. Therefore, everything inside of it will follow this type of style. So I made my entire body everything red. But you know what? I don't like everything being red. Why don't I go in here and I go inside this one paragraph and go style equals, and I'll, start my parentheses and I'll, not parentheses, what's the word I'm looking for? Quotation marks. And this time I'll do color, colon, blue. And now as you see, that one thing turned blue. This one right here turned blue, but everything else was still red. Why is that? Well, the reason that is because I specifically told it to be blue. I never told this one to do anything else. I never told this one to do anything else. I never told this one to do anything else. Therefore, they all default back to what this guy says. Because this guy says everything in the body should be this. It will always follow the rule of whatever it's inside, unless you go deeper into the Russian nesting doll and tell it otherwise. It will always default backwards up the categories instead of, So of course I could, in theory, make each and every one of these guys style equals, color green. I could change each and every one of these if I really wanted to. But as you can see, I'm typing style a lot. I'm typing it a lot. I mean, what if I don't want to keep doing that for every single, paragraph? And, maybe I don't want to actually put this in the body itself. Well, I can simply make a new section with, the caret, style, end caret, and now I have a section for styles. Now, in this style, I could simply do stuff like, color. I can make, I can go in here and make my colors red or background colors. You know what? I'll make a background color. Background color red. And that's not going to work, is it? Oh, body. That's right, because I need to do body. There we go. So now I've made, and I can specify what parts I want. So I can do body, background color red. Now, obviously, that's a lot of red there. But then I can also go and say, why not I have my paragraphs, because my paragraphs, and this is one of those things where you're going to need those curly brackets. See the curly bracket, curly bracket? I can do background color white. And now I have red, but as you can see, my body, I never typed anything inside my body tag. I never typed anything inside my paragraph tag. But I did it up here in my style tab. So it went and defaulted back to this for everything. Now, of course, I can go and simply, once again, here go style equals, background color, black. And now I have one that has a black background there instead, because I specified it specifically inside that one paragraph. So it overrides this guy for that one case. Now that's all fine and dandy, but I want you to imagine this is one web page, right? This is one style area. Well, if I were to make another web page, add another page here, you'll notice none of my style area actually ports over to this page. I would have to redo this entire styles tab all over again, and this guy all over again, and all that. So, what you do instead is you have yourselves a cascading style sheet. What exactly is a cascading style sheet? I will get into that in the next video.